Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.014 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.014. Notice there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal. This places it in the thousandths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put 0.014 over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, 0.014, and the denominator, 1, by 1000 because there are 3 decimal places. So, 0.014 times 1000 gives us 14, and 1 times 1000 gives us 1000. This translates 0.014 to the fraction 14 over 1000. Next, we simplify. Both the numerator and the denominator in 14 1,000ths can be divided by 2, the greatest common divisor. Divide 14 by 2 to get 7, and divide 1000 by 2 to get 500. So, 14 1,000ths simplifies neatly to 7 over 500. And there you have it. The decimal 0.014 when converted to a fraction equals 7 over 500. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.